If you've been wondering how to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sync these two powerful tools to streamline your sales and marketing process, saving you time and boosting your productivity. By the end of this, you'll know how to take full advantage of Apollo.io and HubSpot working together, so stick around because we'll also talk about an exclusive way to try Apollo.io for free. Apollo.io is an all-in-one sales intelligence and engagement platform. It helps you find leads, gather contact information, and engage with potential clients. HubSpot, on the other hand, is one of the best CRM platforms out there, helping you manage relationships, track interactions, and close deals. Now let's dive right into how you can integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot. First, you need to have accounts set up on both platforms. You can sign up for Apollo.io through the first link below, which will give you access to an exclusive bonus. Trust me, you'll want that. Once you're signed into both accounts, the integration process starts with logging into your Apollo.io account. Go to your settings, and from there, you'll find the Integrations tab. Click on that and you'll see a list of options. From there, select HubSpot. After selecting HubSpot, you'll be prompted to connect the two platforms. Click Connect and log into your HubSpot account when asked. This step will securely link your HubSpot account with Apollo.io, allowing you to sync your data seamlessly. Once connected, Apollo.io will give you the option to import leads directly into your HubSpot CRM. This is where the magic happens. You can automatically push data like emails, phone numbers, company information, and more into your HubSpot pipeline. No more manual data entry or missing leads. It's all automated and in real time. Next, you can leverage Apollo.io's advanced filtering options to pull the exact type of leads you need. Whether you're looking for leads in a specific industry, company size, or region, Apollo.io's powerful search capabilities ensure you're targeting the right prospects. After filtering, just hit the Add to HubSpot button, and voila, your leads are now sitting neatly in HubSpot, ready for nurturing. Apollo.io also allows you to track emails and calls, and these interactions can be synced with HubSpot to keep your team informed about each lead's progress. This means that your sales and marketing teams will always be on the same page, making collaboration easier and more effective. It's also important to note that Apollo.io has a very user-friendly interface, so if you're new to it, you won't get lost. The integration is seamless, and the setup doesn't take long at all. Apollo.io and HubSpot were both designed to save you time, so this integration fits right into that objective. So, why should you care about this integration? Well, the power of syncing Apollo.io with HubSpot lies in the fact that it allows you to automate lead management and engagement. Whether you're in marketing or sales, this integration frees up your time so you can focus on closing deals and scaling your efforts. And here's the best part. As promised, if you check the first link in the description below, you can get an exclusive free trial of Apollo.io along with some bonuses. That means you can start using these powerful tools today without any cost. To recap, here's how the integration works. Log into Apollo.io, go to the Integrations tab, connect your HubSpot account, and start syncing leads. With this setup, you'll never miss a chance to engage with the right leads, and your workflow will be smoother than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check the link below for your free trial of Apollo.io and start leveraging both Apollo.io and HubSpot together today.